Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlink bank from Venmo 2026. Start by opening the Venmo app on your iOS or Android device, or log in through the web. Next, go to Settings, then tap on Payment Methods. Find the bank account you want to remove and select it. Now, tap the Remove option and confirm your choice when prompted. Keep in mind, you won't be able to unlink a bank account if there's a pending balance. Your Venmo balance must be zero to prevent any unintended transactions. Unlinking your account helps you stay in control of your financial connections and improves your overall security. Venmo also notifies banks when accounts are unlinked following financial regulations. If you ever want to reconnect your bank account, you can do so at any time. This will trigger a verification process. Venmo offers a few ways to verify your account, including micro deposits where small amounts are sent to your bank for confirmation or instant verification through services like Plaid. Some users may also have access to faster verification methods, such as biometric options like facial recognition. Looking ahead, AI is expected to play a bigger role in platforms like Venmo, helping automate processes like unlinking based on risk detection. Features like these have already made a difference, reducing support requests and improving user experience. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.